my god, that whole thing. I think today was the most fun ride I've had this whole trip.
Yeah.
Morning. Today's forecast calls for blue skies.
This is really pretty. Smile, you're on candid camera. What?
I was airborne.
Uh-oh. Okay, Lori?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. That's pretty going through the trees. Gonzo did a jump. Now this is so pretty with the leaves on the bushes and trees.
Yeah.
This is my most fearful spot. Uh-oh.
That was an uncontrolled descent.
Yep. I love this part. This is so pretty.
Right to the top of this thing.
Hey, Joe. It's kind of deep,
Yeah.
but it's just short.
Yeah, it's short.
And you probably will agree, this doesn't seem as difficult this time as any other time I've done it.
Sun is shining in the sky. The rain
My knee feels like it's bleeding inside.
It sure is beautiful.
It is, isn't it? I don't know where I was going. I was thinking I was going to the right.
You didn't make it.
That's my uncontrolled descent earlier.
I don't remember. Why did you do that? I'll go back where I didn't make it the last time.
I think I just ran over a lizard thing.
The shadow of the raven got ya?
Oh my god, I thought I was falling into the... straight into sand.
Way to psych yourself up.
side. It stopped raining.
Hi guys.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
Check your helmet. I heard it hit.
I know, I felt it hit. No, that was an uncontrolled gassing out.
Oh. You did awesome through that sand.
It didn't feel intimidating.
Yeah.
And I did it yesterday.
Yep. This is this is such a pretty drive here.
Hey, and don't you know, it's a beautiful new day.
Up in the trees. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. So, does this mean if my wife writes me a permission slip to trespass, I can trespass in the next 4 miles? It's pretty. It's been raining for several days and it's quite damp and muddy in spots, so you gotta be a little careful. Well, hopefully I don't end up in the drink, but I'm like 100 yards away from finishing. I better think this over. So, I'm by myself, I'm not gonna do it. I'll wait for a different time of the year. We had ourselves a little landslide here. That's just gonna be too much. And good and slippery muddy.
Running down the avenue, see how the sun
brushy. Arr, matey. That's pretty broke. I said that is pretty broke.
I did it really good, didn't I?
Yes, you did. That looked like a person killer. Recording this part. How did you even get off this with all these sticks? My foot caught that log. Show off. Thought I was gonna crash.
Are you just getting it?
Yeah, well, I got it there, but you're on camera.
These will be the outtakes you play at my funeral.
Yeah, there you go. Hopefully, you won't die.
Not from this road.
That-
We're going to film and Louise it when I get dementia.
But what if I don't? I'm like, no, you're on your own.
Your body's going to be broken.
Yeah.
Almost like right off.
Well, there are signs of like riding in one too.
Oh, I thought this was downhill. From the way that it looks back there.
Yeah.
Is this like go on for a half a mile?
This, and I see mud down below on the other side of it too. That one's deep. Lift your feet.
Nope, I can't.
Oh wow, that was deep. This one doesn't look deep at all.
No.